Aloha! You want to say hi to my fish friends? They like you. Not a lot, but they like you.
Welcome to the world of Aqua Talkers.
Step closer. Closer. Too close.
Welcome, entertain, inform, and interact with your guests with pre-recorded audio and multiple sprays and effects. Or take full interactive control from a hidden remote location. The operator can speak to the guests, activate all the effects, and hear what they say through a microphone hidden in the character.
What is your name? You in the red suit. Yes, look in my eyes.
The use of the Aqua Talker character allows running special programs, promoting business, or selling merchandise, all in an entertaining manner that is only limited by your imagination.
Wow! Just like Diamond Head.
Custom characters and programs can be created for your facility theme or mascot. Entertain, inform, and interact with your guests like never before with Aqua Talkers.